Hello friends, this video on electricity and circuits part 11 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So with this we have reached towards the end of this lesson. So let us quickly look at some of the questions. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A device that is used to break an electric circuit is called. So what is that device which can complete the circuit and which can break the circuit as well? It is nothing but an electric switch. An electric cell has dash terminals. How many terminals are present? There are two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. Question number 2. Mark true or false for following statements. Electric current can flow through metals. True, that's because metals are good conductors of electricity. Instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. False, that's because metal wires are good conductors of electricity, but when you talk about jute, they are insulators, so they do not allow current to pass through them, so we cannot use them to make a circuit. Electric current can pass through a sheet of thermocol. What about thermocol? Is it conductor or insulator? It is insulator, so again electric current cannot pass through it, so this statement is also false. Question number 3. Explain why the bulb would not glow in the arrangement shown in the figure. So here you have a battery, okay. So this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery, and this battery is connected to the bulb. So this is connected to two different terminals of the bulb, which is correct. This is one terminal, this is another terminal, and then there is another substance which is there in the circuit, and this substance is what? It is nothing but a screwdriver. So we can see that an electric cell is present, the circuit is also complete, right? The way the battery is connected to the bulb, that is also correct. So what's wrong here? The incorrect part is that this screwdriver has a handle. This part of the screwdriver is made up of a material which is insulator, because normally screwdrivers have this portion is made up of metal, which is good conductor, but this part is mostly made up of plastics or any other insulator, in order to, because screwdrivers are used by electricians to work on circuits. So to protect them from electric shock, these are made up of insulators, and that is why, since an insulator is present in the circuit, therefore the bulb doesn't glow. So the plastic handle of the screwdriver is an insulator, so it doesn't allow electric current to pass through, and that is why the bulb doesn't glow. Question number 4. Complete the drawing shown in the figure to indicate where the free ends of the two wires should be joined to make the bulb glow. So this is the initial figure where this is a switch and you have these two wires and you have to connect the bulb correctly with the battery. So you see, this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery. So both terminals of battery should be connected to two different terminals of the bulb. So in the bulb you have this terminal from the rib case and you have this terminal from the base. So from the base, this terminal is connected to one end of the switch and the other end is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is how the circuit would be complete, and in this scenario the bulb would also glow. Question number 5. What is the purpose of using an electric switch? Name some electrical gadgets that have switches built into them. So switches are primarily used to complete or break the circuit. So when it completes the circuit, then current flows through the circuit. When it breaks the circuit, then current stops flowing through the circuit. For example, when we put the electric switch on, the bulb glows, the electric fan gets on, that's because current flows through the circuit, and when we switch it off, they stop. Similarly, in washing machine, in television sets, everywhere you have switches. You talk about mixer grinders, you talk about microwaves, everything operate on switches. So switches are present in a lot of electrical appliances. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.